तर पब्लिक आजचा व्लॉग आपला नुसता इंग्लिशमध्ये डिबेट म्हणजे इंग्लिशमध्ये भांडणं आहे आपली नुसती. इतकी मजा आहे ना, तुम्ही पूर्ण बघा, इतकी मजा. तर चलो बघा आता व्लॉग. हा,
This is our tradition. My country culture is marriage is offline, not online. This point is not valid.
Suppose one girl has something and not confident is ki hi, how are you? And I am Instagram friend, hi, how are you?
ऑनलाईन चॅट.
Online. This offline meet not a confidence.
Yes. Then
Using this 2-3 days online chatting and confidence is
increase.
increase this confidence and meet this offline.
Yes.
Suppose Shubham read this girlfriend. Shubham girlfriend read this.
Love letter.
काय ते? पाठवली तर काय?
लव लेटर.
Writing a letter and she's a letter and another one is reading
पॉइंट आहे.
It is also risky.
it is also risky. And suppose your mobile, I love you.
You will get. Yes. Pause.
I'm calling a Manish because he's point. So Mane, you telling you saying
Confidence सांगू, confidence नसतो माझ्याकडे बोलायला.
ए इंग्लिश.
is confident, but you give an example of my girlfriend. So I'm getting my girlfriend. It's in her. So your situation now in so काय म्हणते मागचे दिवस पाऊस गेले. Your old age is so you come to a hostel. And you text your girlfriend, hi, hello baby, what are you doing? I love you. But he was not meet with you. Not meet you. Your confidence is high. But she was not comfortable. She is not comfortable with you.
Yes.
Then you go and meet with his. So Rushi, please join us. Suppose his girlfriend.
बाय.
1 minute, sir. I'm getting with Rushi. Hi, hello, how are you? But he's know me. But then I'm chat. Your point is right. I'm chatting with and got a plan with meeting. So our conversation is already. Yes. Our conversation is already in mobile. But you meet physically. So he understand me and my feeling and my hobbies and my background.
Yes.
And I'm also knowing his background and about his all the very things.
Yes.
All the very things. Mane, you don't put a finger in your ears.
Thank you.
1 minute, sir. So your girlfriend, you text, I love you. In online. I love you. But girlfriend is already boyfriend. So he took a screenshot
Yes.
and
Send to the boyfriend.
no sir. Boyfriend took a screenshot.
Okay.
Then what happened?
Yes.
They
They have fight.
So girlfriend, your crush and their boyfriend
Tabla.
is, got a fight. So you broken their relation.
Yes.
Right? Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Am I right, public?
Yes.
So agree with me?
Yes.
That's my point.
As a closing statement.
Leave this.
Okay.
No. Leave this topic and add a new
No.
topic. You add a new topic.
No girlfriend bucket. Yes.
आम्ही त्याच्यावर बोलतो तू बस.
Suppose my favorite place is Raigad and I miss this Raigad and not going to Raigad but financial problem, physical problem and my mood is sad
Yes.
and I am searching the mobile Raigad photos
Yes.
and see
Videos.
the photos. My feeling is very happy and beautiful and mood is fresh.
Yes.
His smart work is best.
Yes.
Better that?
समजायला बोलायचं.
Right, somebody.
Yes.
No, sir. Our giving an example about the Raigad. So Mane, your point is right. But you see the Raigad is online, right? then your wish is going to the Raigad and climbing the Raigad, but you not climb online Raigad. So you go. So you physical going to Raigad and climb. That's feeling. Then you climb the Raigad. Your feeling is more unbelievable.
Yes.
And no one to explain this
Yes.
feeling. So you climbing. Then you watching a video on Instagram, YouTube. Yeah, Raigad is nice. But when I go and climb the Raigad, that's your
The feeling is different.
And then you go and climb the Raigad, and that is your feeling. So you go to offline and getting a feel. So what is the Raigad and Raigads about the
Yes.
Raigad?
So you will get idea about the atmosphere of the Raigad.
Raigad, right? Your feeling is more. So you agree with me
Yes.
or not agree? That's my point.
Shubham is right, but he's physically is not
Yes, he's not capable.
capable.
Yes.
You
Financial
also speak
problem.
now,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Physical, financial.
Yes, yes.
His financial problem
Problem
is
is
strong
there, yes.
and physically healthy. Because coming to Raigad and he feel this feeling. काय असतं?
ते
Shubham speak here. You are go to Raigad, but he is
He's unable to go.
unable to go because your leg is
Damaged.
damaged.
Yes.
You will not go
Yes.
Raigad.
Yes.
You show you don't
For now,
For
he
now.
can use the internet.
internet, mobile, and
Yes.
see the filler,
Right.
short filler
Yes, yes, yes.
online and mobile. This agree with Shubham,
Yes.
but he's
Mane's point is right.
physically not the.
Yes, yes. So I partially agree.
I
Partially.
agree.
Yes.
But man is
Man is
Man
right.
is-
Shubham is right,
But
but man
not
is
fully.
not
not
fully.
Yes.
Man is health. काय म्हणतात त्याला?
Health is not good.
Health is not good.
Yes.
Thinking is leg
My physical.
physically,
Ah.
but
Ropeway.
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 So you go to
So you go to ropeway
and
and it's
going to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj
Statue.
And get a
Watch.
and watch to Raigad.
Yes. किंवा have a look. Have a look of Raigad. Yes.
Financial problem not.
Yes, yes. Financial problem is there. Yes.
Save the money, sir. Save.
How?
ती केल्यावरती जाऊ आम्ही.
I agree this topic,
Yes.
but offline feeling is best, very best, not old days.
Yes.
But offline feeling is not bad.
Yes.
Not bad this offline
Yes.
feeling. Feeling.
Yes.
I see these pictures and I am feeling is
happy.
good, happy,
Yes. Satisfied.
satisfied.
That's my
not
point.
a bad feelings.
Yes.
Yes.
So Mane, you can't understand my topic of our argument. So I'm telling about you go and not see online because I have wish to you go to Raigad
Yes, yes.
and climb Raigad and explore the Raigad. Nothing in Raigad. All the fort of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Yes.
You may go because I know your wish. I know your wish is to
Visit the all forts.
all forts of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong? Yes. So you got a
इथं
online.
point आहे की
You
एवढा
see
मोठा.
all forts are to see online. So your wish is going to offline or online?
आमचा ऋषी भाऊ जिंकलेला आहे का ब्लॉक पडणार भाऊचा
आमच्या टॉपिक बद्दल बोलत होते ह्यांचा वैयक्तिक एक
तर तुला कसं वाटलं डिबेट लाईक करा सबस्क्राईब करा अरे डिबेट कसा वाटला ते सांगायला लावलं ना पब्लिक तुला काय वाटलं
एक नंबर झाला मस्त मस्त
डिबेट कसा वाटला
बघा एकदम बघा
बिहारला बंगार वाटला बिहारला